Today we're going to take a look at this 2021 R-Pod 193. Today we're taking a look at this R-Pod 193 by Forest River. The spare tire is located on the back rather than underneath. The brake lights are LED lights. And going up a little further here, we'll see it does come pre-wired for a backup camera. And on the bottom right, you will see the black and gray tank out. This is a good little storage space. And over to the right, you'll see the cable satellite hookup and the 30 amp hookup. And you see this black bumper. This black bumper is where your sewer hose goes into. The cap comes off, and you just store it right in there. This R-Pod is under 23 feet long. The dry weight of this unit was around 3,700 pounds. This unit did come with one slide out with the Swintech slide system. Here's the fresh water, the CD water hookup, and here's the specs to this unit. In front of this unit, the storage does go all the way through. The storage doors are held up by magnetic clips. And you have the stabilizer jacks in all four corners. Moving to the front of the trailer, power tongue jack, one propane tank. The red knob is for the battery disconnect. Let's make our way inside. Now this is the new logo by R-Pod. Now we called the dealership first thing this morning around 10 o'clock. By 12 o'clock when we showed up there, this unit had already sold. This interior color is called Starlight. There's a Murphy bed. And this unit does come with a bunkhouse. Looking at the kitchen area, you see the cabinets there above. And the sink. This is a very deep sink. A 2-burner gas stove top, hood range with light and a fan, convection microwave oven. Alright, you have your dustpan vac, your propane leak detector, electrical box and furnace, refrigerator, and to the right is a good pantry. Making our way into the bathroom, nice linen storage. The shower area is very large, skylight above the shower, a sink which is built in. Large fan there on top. The vinyl flooring on this unit makes it very easy when it comes to sweeping, and cleanup is easy too as well, using this vacuum system. This area for the bunk beds is 6 feet long. Both come with a window. And there's outlets back in the back on top and lower bunk. open this up, and we got a little place there for the top here to hang some clothing. And here's a better view of that Murphy bed behind the couch. This unit does come with a 13.5 BTU air conditioning, and the thermostat is on the wall that controls it. Each side of the sofa comes with outlets and USB ports. I want to make mention also the 193 unit does have the option for a solar package option. And here's the panel for the water pump, gray and black tank meters, and a freshwater tank, pet friendly bowls. Coming to the top, you will see the radio here on top, FM AM radio. And also the controls for the awning, the interior light, and porch light. I hope you like this review of the ARPod 193. Please hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel, and we'll share the next model we looked at.